Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about amazing words of vocabulary to talk about first aid. So let's start with first one. Wound. It is an injury, especially a cut or a hole. For example, don't try dangerous things, otherwise you will get injured and you will have a wound on your body. Second one. Antiseptic lotion. It is a special liquid used for cleaning wounds. ये एक ऐसा लोशन या ऐसा लिक्विड होता है जो कि हम वाउंड्स को या कहने के जख्म को साफ करने के लिए उसे जर्म से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. For example, you will need an antiseptic lotion to clean a wound. Third one is bath something. It means wash a part of your body. For example, when you get a wound, you should bath the wound thoroughly to clean it. Next one is dressing. It is a piece of material put over a wound to protect it. ये कोई भी एक मटेरियल का पार्ट होता है या पीस होता है जो कि हम वाउंड के ऊपर रखते हैं ताकि उसे जर्म से या दूसरे इंसेक्ट से प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें. For example, if you want to recover faster, so you should cover your wound with clean dressing. Next one is prevent something or prevent yourself from doing something. It means protect yourself or stop yourself from something happening. For example, to get to recover faster or to make yourself healthy, you should prevent infection. Next one is in place. It means something in correct position. For example, hold the dressing in a place with a bandage. Next one is swollen. It means when your body part or when your wound become larger or rounder than usual because of an injury or illness, then it is called swollen. For example, if a part of your body is swollen, put some frozen peas wrapped in a towel on it to reduce the swelling. Next one is sting. It is a pain you feel when a sharp part of an insect, animal or a plant enters or scratches your skin. Or you can say the sharp part of the bee that stays under your skin. For example, for bee stings, remove the sting with tweezers. Next one is Antihistamine Cream. It is a cream used to prevent a bad reaction to stings. For example, to prevent or to cure the stings of the bees, you should use the Antihistamine Cream on it. Next one is treat something or somebody else. It means give a medical care to something or somebody else to make the person more healthy. For example, to treat a burn or to give a treatment to a person, you should do some protective measures that can be helpful to the person. The last word is running water. It is a continuous flow of water from a tap. For example, to treat a burn effectively, first place it under a cool running water for 15 minutes and it will give a better result. So yeah, it was all about the words and amazing words of vocabulary that I wanted to share with you. If you have any question, you can definitely ask me in comments. I will surely read your comments and reply you for that. You can also follow me on Instagram and ask me any kind of query or question if you have. और मुझे comments में बताएं कि इनमें से कौन से words आप अपनी vocabulary में use करते रहे हैं और कितने words आपके लिए new हैं. And if you know about some other words, then let me know in comments. That will be helpful for other people. And I will appreciate your help too. At the end, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel to get more videos like that and to learn English language perfectly. Inshallah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.